guys, today I'm here with another video opening a pack, and I hope you like this video. Hit that subscribe button and support my channel. And today I'll be opening a water gun, the Aqua Power, and I'm gonna be cutting all the scissors, cutting out with the scissors. So I'm gonna cut it up as while you watch. Okay, so got that open, and yeah, I hope you like this video. And it's already all cut off. Okay, so the features to this is has one hole shooting. It kind of looks like a minigun. There's something right here to hold the part to, instead of just have it wiggling around. And it has that. And it has a freaking big thing inside it. And it's really good. And it probably has lots of ammo. Tomorrow I might be testing it out. Tomorrow will be with part 2. And the part 2 would be, I don't know, shooting and firing it. And then there's something right here. Take this off. It says that, important note, remove and discard this T-bar before starting playing. So it's telling us to take this thing off out of this area over here. So it's telling us to take this off before start playing. And I hope you like this video, enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoyed the features about this minigun thing. And tomorrow I'll be testing out for part 2. Hope you like this video, subscribe, and please always stay tuned for my videos and more. Bye!